Stephen, Curiato, Theo and Abby. So we're in Tram Car. Yes. And this is the last tram behind us. So we're here to go and check it out really fast, and then won't be a very long video. We're going to have a quick look at it. It's pretty awesome. And let's go take some photos and put them on Instagram. Check this out. This is actually pretty cool. So it's the last tram here in Tramhouse Bay, which is pretty amazing. It is pretty cool. Won't be a very long video at all though. But look at the old mirrors. I mean old mirrors, I mean old windows. Oh, paint peeling. That's pretty cool. So think about moving or something. Which is pretty at it. Pretty great. It's got that bit of power thing going on there. The old kettle and stuff in there. The old teapot. The old whistling kettle. That's pretty cool. Look at that. An old toaster. Dang, that's an old toaster. Holy shit. Turn it through. Tiny little kitchen looking there though. I don't know if you can get inside, but look at that. That's pretty epic. Zoom in there for you. That's the far end of it. Not sure what's down there. That's pretty cool though. Damn. This is an awesome launch over there. That is actually pretty cool. Wow, so actually up the north this time, past South Beach. Check out these few little spots. It's like stuck my foot. I know, yes, it's quite strange. This is the very last tram from this area. Last original wooden tram. Crazy.
But yeah, I've lived up here for nearly 8 years.
That's pretty cool.
It's been empty the whole time I've
Really?
been here.
So it's like a little washing basin down here. This is probably going so we can't actually go inside, but it's pretty legit. Look at that. Oh, wooden floors in there, those cool wooden floors. So reflection stuff. Yeah, reflections. This from the outside. That's pretty awesome. That is pretty cool, look at that. Did they run on petrol or something? I have no idea what they ran on. That's pretty cool though, isn't it? Wow. What side's the front? Do they even have a front and back? There's a little kitchen down the far end with an old whistling kettle and things. Look at that old chair on there. Old chair and old table. I don't know what to show her. Sorry about the reflection. It's noise by it. The old paint's peeling off everywhere. So I'm not too sure the guy is moving it to. It's actually got water, so maybe they still used it for something. It's only living it for a while or something. The old power box there, and rain supply. It's definitely got supply of water. We have teapots, we have an old saucer.
That's so cool.
Yeah, one last knife, cold water. Look at that old toaster.
Is that a toaster?
Or a toasty pie maker or something.
Wow.
Whistling kettle.
And yeah.
Over there, look at all cupboards. Can't get any closer. Where's a bit doity? Oh, my phone's still there. We go. Wow, cupboards. Towel rail. Some jiff.
That is so cool.
See that really cool launch in the background? And oh, it's another old launch I can see in the background. Oh, look at that old boat there.
Oh, wow.
That's cool. That's what I can show you. There's not much left to see. I can't really the old roof on it. I can't really see. Don't have toilets, so maybe somebody must have lived there for a little bit. I'll tell we're here. This old table. Look at this view though. This view is pretty amazing. Look over there, there's that huge old launch by the red shed. That's pretty cool. It's an always boat. Look at this. Going along here though, it's a massive old tree. So toilets. What's over here? They have a toilet block, I'm guessing. Who knows? One toilet there. Raise, or gentlemen and small boys, please raise toilet. Let to do wheeze. That wheeze was funny. Cabinet door. And it's an old shed. But nothing else to look in there. Well, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and have an awesome day and an awesome weekend.